Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements to get the most of your reading. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Virgo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please tap the bell for notification. Tingnan natin. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Okay, ano nangyayari? Ano yung mga messages and energies for Virgo, please, on love and romance. Virgo, love and romance for Virgo. Okay. Connection. Love is the bridge connecting souls. Cherish those connections. Okay. Alone time. Spend some time alone. It will help you gain clarity on your relationship. Okay. Merong sparks. Keep the sparks flying. Surprise each other with gestures of love. Okay. Surprise each other. Okay. Nurture the relationship. Nurture the connection with your person. Okay. Or someone that you love. Yeah. For some of you, you need some time alone para makapag-isip kayo about sa relationship nyo. Kung meron kayong mga problema or challenges na kinakaharap ngayon and you need clarification. So definitely, you need alone time para makapag-isip ka ng maayos. You will be able to gain clarity. Relax. Find joy in the simple pleasures of just being together. Find joy in the simple pleasures of just being together. Relax. Okay? So, relax, Virgo. For some of you, just be with your person. Okay? Mag-bonding time. Okay? Relax. Enjoy the moment. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot, please, for Virgo. Love and romance for Virgo. Ano yung energies and messages for Virgo, please? In love and romance. Virgo. Virgo. Love and romance for Virgo. Love and romance for Virgo. The Tower. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Virgo. For some of you, your person, yung person ninyo, merong family involved in the situation. Okay. A challenge in your connection, okay? Or merong someone else ang inyong person. Pero merong attraction between the two of you. Yeah. For some of you, hindi nyo ma-express ang inyong nararamdaman sa isa't isa. Okay? Merong blockage. Maybe someone is involved. Okay? Third party in the situation. Ten of Pentacles. Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung the Tower. Yung person ninyo ngayon, Virgo, pinabalanse niya lang ang sitwasyon niya sa ngayon. Okay? To avoid gulo or distraction. Kung ano yung current status ng connection ninyo or relasyon. Okay? There is something na gusto mong sabihin or may gusto kang sabihin sa person mo. Okay? Yeah. Your person is unable to decide or to make a decision about the situation niya if your person is dealing with two people. You and the other one. Okay? Just take what resonates for you, Virgo, but ito yung mga energies na lumalabas for Virgo. Okay? Ano tong the Tower? Please. Yeah, Five of Cups. Yeah. Merong nangyari in the situation that makes your person sad. Parang nalungkot ang inyong person. May nangyari, okay, something na na-surprise or na-shock in the situation, okay? Yeah. Surprise. Unexpected or sudden change na nangyari sa sitwasyon. Okay? Sa connection nyo or sa relationship na nag-cause ng disappointment or regrets and sorrow. Either sorrow, okay, or regrets from your person, Virgo. Okay? And ngayon, kailangan niyang ayusin or balansehin ang lahat. Okay? Ang sitwasyon niya, sitwasyon mo, and the situation of the other person. Okay? It seems that your person, hindi niya alam, unable siya to decide kung anong gagawin. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano itong Temperance? Yeah, Eight of Cups. Ano itong Two of Swords? Two of Swords. Yeah, Ace of Swords. Yeah, someone left the situation, Virgo. Is this you or your person mismo? Okay, umalis sa sitwasyon na nag-cause somehow ng trouble or nag-cause ng kalungkutan, sadness, great sadness or sorrow. Okay? Yeah, because of some truth na kailangan i-reveal. Merong truth, no, na kailangan i-reveal in the situation. Yeah, and now your person is naguguluhan kung anong gagawin niya sa sitwasyon. Okay? Merong umalis. Okay? Merong nag-move on from sadness. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano tong High Priestess? Ayan, Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, for some of you, hindi mo to nasasabi. This is a secret. You want to be with this person. You want to have a family with him or her. Okay? You want to support the person, Virgo. You are very attracted to this person, Virgo. Okay? And for some of you, gusto mong malaman kung anong nangyayari sa kanya. Okay? Kung maayos ba ang relasyon niya with the other person. Ten of Pentacles and Ten of Cups. Yeah. Gusto mong malaman, what's the truth? Ano yung status ng person mo with the other person? Okay? Baka may family siya na iba or ibang, I don't know, because merong third party. This is a third party situation. Okay? Ten of Cups. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. Your person must be dealing with a Queen of Pentacles, an Earth sign, a Capricorn, okay, or Taurus. Yeah. Parang ngayon hindi alam ng person mo kung anong gagawin sa situation. Maybe you, may sinabi ka or may sinabi ka something truth na nag-cause ng person mo ng sadness pero wala siyang magawa. That's why merong moving on just to make things okay. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, you want to know something that is hidden from you related sa sitwasyon na to. Okay? About this partnership na involve ang person ninyo. Okay? But definitely, Virgo, you want this person, okay? You want to be with him or her, make a family, build a foundation sa relasyon, okay? Build that connection. A legacy, okay? To build a legacy with that person, okay? Pero the situation is complicated because of this another person na involved. So it's a love triangle. Three of Pentacles. Ano itong Three of Pentacles, please? Okay. Yeah, three person. Third person. Love triangle, okay. Merong disappointment. For some of you, you are working together and at the same time, there is hurt, heartaches, or you are heartbroken or the other person is heartbroken. Okay? Merong hindi pagkakaayos because of some hurt and disappointment. Yeah. What is this Ten of Pentacles? Yeah, Queen of Cups. However, you are supporting this person. Okay, mahal mo yung person na to, Virgo. You have each other's back or sinusuportahan mo siya. Okay. Yeah. In building a reputation, a legacy, okay. You are there to support him and her, but you are heartbroken, okay, because of the situation. So you are attracted to this person. As well as this person is attracted to you. Okay. Mayroong disappointment because this person is attached or connected to the other person, which is an earth sign. Okay. Yeah. You know that this person maybe, you know that this person is attached maybe or merong pamilya. Okay. Take care of yourself, Virgo. Focus on your career, on yourself. Okay. There is some growth. May growth when it comes sa kaperahan or sa career, sa trabaho mo. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, your person cannot decide or unable to decide on something because of some truth. Yeah, for some, your person, alam ng person mo na you are heartbroken or disappointed with the situation, okay? And nag-move on siya para maging maayos lang, para mabalance ang sitwasyon. Okay? Yeah. Or maybe this is you are moving on with your life, Virgo, and focus on your career, your legacy, nurture yourself, focus on your self-development. Okay? Yeah, you will be heartbroken or kung ano man to. For some, there is disappointment. Okay? Third party ang situation. It will just hurt you. It will just disappoint you. Maybe for some of you, you are working together. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Hidden truths from your person. Virgo, please, Virgo. Virgo. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. Okay. Hidden truths from your person. I wonder if you are happy without me. I am starting to understand our connection. I knew exactly what I was doing. Okay? So, aware ang person ninyo kung anong nangyayari. Kung ano yung connection ninyong dalawa, yung sitwasyon niya. Okay? So, alam niya kung anong ginagawa niya. So, focus on your self-development, on your career, sa trabaho mo. Okay? And also, you are an intuitive person. Trust and listen to your intuition. Virgo, kung ano sinasabi ng inyong feelings. Okay? Ng puso ninyo. Alright? So, maraming salamat sa inyo, Virgo. Ito lang yung mga messages and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!